All right. So reconcile is when you compare your records to the bank's records to make sure the balances match. So again, reconciling is when you compare your records to the bank's records to make sure the balances match. Okay. Anybody need that up a little longer? Yeah. Riley, we never trained you in on the door. I'm so sorry. My deepest apologies. First of all, congratulations for being the door person. And thank you. What do you think? Yellow, pink? Has to be yellow. Sorry. I mean, I could go get a pink one over there, but it's too late. I've already got this one in my hand. Okay. Want to grab the broom behind you? Oh my God, it's up here. This is horrible. Okay. Can you open the door for me? Have you done this before?
No, I haven't.
No? Uh-oh.
Oh gosh.
You lost it. Can you catch it? Oh, nice. How about, go ahead.
No. Is there a better way to hold it?
I was just hooking it and keeping it.
Okay.
Try it here.
Oh, I didn't know if you could. Okay. Good enough.
Very nice. Everybody's loving watching you, I'm sure. Okay, now, how about this way? Come on,
everything
Riley. Very nice. Can you put it back down? I don't want that light on. Very nice. You miss it so much, Peyton? Yes, he does. He misses it so much. Okay. I'm glad we recorded all of that. So, when you look at a bank statement, this is the bank, and this is you. So we're comparing two things. We're comparing what the bank says we have and what you say we have. And this is the bottom line, is that the bank and you are not agreeing. Who says that you have more money, the bank or you? Bank. So the question is, what's different? So here's how we're going to do this. We're going to start at the top. It looks like the opening balance for this month was $244.24, and you guys agreed on that, so I'm going to put checks by both of those. And then it says that it has a deposit of $312 right there, and here's the deposit of $312 right here. Do you see this check mark box here? That says that we've got that. Why do you think it's in parentheses on top here, this 18? That's taking money out. So here it says that we're taking $18 out, and here it says we're taking $18 out. Those match. This one says we're taking $80.40 out, and here it says we're taking $80.40 out. That matches. And then here it says that we're taking out $38, and here's $38 down there. Okay, so what is the difference then? It looks like we have something here. What is this? Nate, what do you think? $19.85, but what is that for, you think? Jeans. It looks like it's a check number. So, do you guys know what it's called when you have an outstanding check? Have you heard of that before? It's really great. It's a really great check. It's outstanding. No, an outstanding check is when you've written a check, but they haven't cashed it yet. Should we write that down? Let's write that down on the back of our vocab sheet. Outstanding check. It's a really, really cool check. When you've written a check, but the bank hasn't taken it out of your account. It could be that there's a delay with the bank, or it could be that the person you wrote the check to hasn't cashed it yet. So an outstanding check is when you've written a check, but the bank hasn't taken it out of your account. Okay, so who's right in this case? You've written a check. You definitely wrote a check, right? So you definitely wrote a check. So what should we do to the bank's number? Subtract it. The bank thinks we have too much money. Why is that a problem for the bank to think you have too much money? Riley? Right, so you might be like, oh, I'm gonna pay my, whatever, electricity bill, and then you think you've got $415, but you don't, you actually have less than that. So I'm gonna take this on this side, the $415.09, and I'm gonna subtract $19.89. You should do this too. Go get a calculator if you don't have one. Now the bank is at $395.20, which is still not what we want.
It's supposed to be a 5.
$395.20 is supposed to be a 5 where? Oh, here? 85. My apologies.